Go, hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
Okay, so I've got the tent set up. I've started initiating. Oh, looky here. We were just studying about those, weren't we? Let's get it. Okay. Anyway, going through, looking at damage. We've got damage on this corner. This up here is broke, but I think I can fix it. I'm pretty sure I can. We're broke right here. The cool thing is that the screws are still in it, but the rivets that held them, they were shaved off. Odd. But yeah, this is my home. You know, I've done a lot of videos with me in this tent, out in the bush, out camping and all that good stuff. Let's go inside. We got to get it dried out. Oh, look, this is not mine. It belongs to somebody else, but it's not real either. Let's open this up a little bit. Let some of this hot West Texas air start coming in. This is actually a door right here. It's got two doors. But yeah, I slept in this baby. Oh man, I got some good sleep inside this tent. I like it because, see, it's not really a winter tent, but I have used it in the winter. Oh look, okay, there's some more damage. We got a rip right there. That's what we're looking for. It's tears and rips. Over here is when I was in Huntsville. Damn squirrels tried to get in and they got in. And got trapped, couldn't figure out how to get back out. But I have my preps in here and stuff. That's probably ruined. So it's just useless. Maybe not. Let's open it up. See if we can. Open it up, let it get some air. Maybe it'll dry out. Maybe there it goes. There we go. We'll let that hang down. I don't see any more rips anywhere. So, yeah, this is my home, away from home. Relatively not too much damage considering what happened. I called and I did confirm everything, and they were actually pretty fucking lucky to get away from that lake alive in one piece. So that's a blessing. It's not, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, but I'll see. You see how it's sitting? But I'll get that fixed. And I always have a home, darling. Whether it's in a box or a tent, I'll make a way. Yes, the wind is blowing. I'm fixing to stake it down. I've got the stakes out so it can dry out. But I'll let y'all see the progress and stuff as I go. See, you got to think outside the box. You can't just, oh, it's broke, I'm going to throw it away and be done with it. No. Not everything's fucking broken the way that people think it is. You know, it's perspective a lot of times. But, yeah, I'll get her stretched out and staked down. There's my home away from home. I'm so happy it's just that little bit. I can do that. you know, what I was going to, if all else fails and I can't stabilize it to where it sits properly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the poling off. I'll remove all the poling, and I'll make my own poles that I carry with me. And I will adjust this. I will make this work. I will not be without a fucking tent. Period. Ever. Ever. So some, this may seem ridiculous and futile and simple. But let me know how it is, how it works for you when you really, truly go without. And even the smallest things matter. But I don't like the idea that I have this emotional attachment to this tent. That disturbs me greatly. I should not be so attached to an inanimate object as I am this tent, with other than the thoughts of it being that it is a sense of security for me. And that is something that I am going to have to meditate on and check myself on. Because, you know, I'm always real big about picking up and going and walking with what you got. And this really isn't nothing major in the big scheme of things. It's not fucking major. You know, it's simple. But for some reason, it's staring me a little uncomfortable. And I need to assess that and check that. And I want to share that with y'all. That a lot of times we need to take a step back and look at it for what it actually really is. It's a broke down motherfucking tent, baby. Okay, I'll be back with you.